Welcome to another TMC product review. Today we're going to be discussing pressfit unions and the metal company's alternative pressfit unions. This is what we consider to be the standard Europress union. It's called a Europress MAC union. How this works is it has a nut on the centre and two flat faces that connect a BSP male thread to a pressfit connection. Now these are fantastic unions and they're widely used by many of our customers. Sadly they do have one drawback, and that's that this is what we consider a flat face union. It means the two faces where they meet in the middle of the union need to be completely straight to ensure a complete seal. These are excellent if you can get your pipe work completely straight. We understand that sometimes our customers are working in confined spaces or tight areas or on a complex installation, therefore it's hard to get your pipe work dead straight. Now if your pipe work is not straight and these two faces in the middle of the union are not straight together, by fastening the nut around the centre of the union will often mean you can create a seal by pulling those two faces together. Now where the issue comes in is particularly with heating and cooling or expansion and contraction or vibration or just over time, this nut can wind its way back by even as small as 1/8 of a turn, and all of a sudden those two faces are no longer straight together and a leak occurs. That's where we have developed alternative unions for the pressfit system to ensure they don't leak. This is what we call our Tri-Clover pressfit union, and this is what we call our RJT pressfit union. Now let's talk about why these are more secure than the standard Europress union. Now with the Tri-Clover option, the safety of this union means that if you cannot get the two faces together straight enough to secure the clamp around the body of the union, you simply cannot put the pipework together. Therefore you have to correct your pipework before you can get it to seal with the clamp. Now the RJT alternative means that you can get up to 5% deflection, which means your pipe can be out by up to 5% and it still seals because of the stepped seal and the size of the seal in the middle of the union. Now you might wonder why you use RJT or why would you use Tri-Clover? How do you decide? It's totally personal preference, and it often comes down to whether your factory is currently running Tri-Clovers or RJT unions. Now we also have these unions that replicate the exact pressfit union we spoke of earlier, which have a male BSP thread at one end. Now something to remember is that all of the parts that make up our alternative pressfit union are actually individual components. So all of these can be purchased separately. Therefore you can interchange and swap parts around to make your custom style of union. Now to view the individual parts and these pressfit unions, you can access them at themetalcompany.co.nz under the Europress section. Now I hope this product review was interesting, and feel free to contact our team if you have any further questions.